Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're looking at the ViewSonic LS740HD laser projector, a high-brightness full HD projector designed for auditoriums, conference rooms, classrooms, large entertainment spaces, and even outdoor viewing setups. If you've been searching for a projector that can deliver a massive image while maintaining strong brightness, this model definitely deserves attention. So, is this projector really worth buying? What do all those numbers actually mean in everyday use? And why has the LS740HD become such a popular choice for large screen projection? Let's break it down. The first thing that stands out is brightness. The LS740HD delivers up to 5,500 center lumens and 5,000 ANSI lumens, which is a huge advantage when you're projecting in rooms that aren't completely dark. Whether you're presenting in a meeting room, teaching in a classroom, hosting a sports watch party, or creating a giant movie screen outdoors after sunset, that brightness helps keep images vibrant and easy to see. Resolution is full HD 1920 by 1080, which remains one of the most widely used formats for movies, streaming content, gaming, presentations, and live events. The projector supports screen sizes from 30 inches all the way up to an incredible 300 inches. Imagine turning an entire wall into a giant display without needing an expensive television. What about long-term ownership? This projector uses a laser phosphor light source rated for up to 20,000 hours in normal mode and up to 30,000 hours in eco mode. For many users, that can mean years of operation before even thinking about replacement costs. That's one of the biggest reasons laser projectors continue gaining popularity. Another impressive feature is the 3:1 contrast ratio. This helps create deeper shadows, improved image depth, and better separation between bright and dark areas of the picture. Combined with support for HDR content, movies and presentations gain additional visual impact. Let's talk flexibility. The LS740HD includes a 1.3x optical zoom lens with a throw ratio of 1.13 to 1.47. In practical terms, this gives you more freedom when positioning the projector. You don't have to place it in one exact spot to get the image size you want. That's especially useful in conference rooms, auditoriums, and home entertainment installations. Setup is also easier thanks to horizontal and vertical keystone correction up to plus or minus 30 degrees, along with corner adjustment features. These tools help square the image even if the projector isn't perfectly centered. The projector also supports full 360-degree projection, opening up creative installation possibilities on ceilings, floors, angled surfaces, and special event displays. For connectivity, you get dual HDMI inputs, a powered USB A port capable of supplying 5V and 1.5A for streaming devices, audio output, built-in 15-watt speaker support, and RS-232 control connectivity for professional installations. Portability is another surprise. Despite its brightness capabilities, the projector weighs only around 3 kilograms, or about 6.6 pounds. That makes it easier to transport between classrooms, offices, event venues, and entertainment setups than many larger installation projectors. Real-world users frequently highlight the projector's strong brightness and flexible image adjustment features, particularly its corner correction capabilities for large screen applications and specialty installations. So why is the ViewSonic LS740HD such a popular choice? It combines 5,000 ANSI lumens of laser-powered brightness, full HD resolution, a long-lasting laser light source, HDR support, 300-inch image capability, flexible installation options, and professional-grade adjustment tools in a compact package. Those features make it suitable for everything from business presentations to large-scale entertainment experiences. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.